Mo, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video for y'all. We are doing some unboxing. So if y'all trying to tap into this video, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now for your girl. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up because you are gonna love it. And don't forget to comment in the comment section and chit chat with your girl as well. So for the items that I'm going to be showing you guys today, I did order it off of Amazon. Y'all, if you don't already know, you're going to know that basically Amazon is one of my favorite stores to shop at because your girl don't be having time to be in them streets like that. So Amazon is definitely convenient in more ways than one. Also, if you guys find yourself liking these items, I'm going to be sure to have them linked inside my description box as well. So you guys can check these items out for yourselves and make sure when you're in these people streets, you look good as well. Now, I'm going to start off with the smaller items. I found these cute little finger rings that I thought was so adorable, and I had to show you guys. So, this is what it is. So they're stackable rings. They come in all different kind of designs. I want to show them to you all. And leave a comment in the comment section if you're feeling them, okay? Now, these are not real. They're gold plated. You know, fun little jewelry. So this is not for everyday wear. I don't believe you'll want to, you know, get in the water or anything like this. You know, if you like about to hang out or something like that, just to be cute. So I'm going to show them to you guys. So this is one design. I believe it came with maybe 12 rings or something like that. So I'm showing you all the different looks. Please excuse my nails, y'all. My birthday's coming up and my nail appointment is not till later on in the week. So y'all just gonna have to deal with what y'all get. So act like y'all don't see it and just pay attention to the rings, okay? Your girl already knows she gotta do better. So this is one of my favorites. This is so cute. Something plain and simple. I'm going to show them on the finger as well so you guys can kind of get an idea what I mean when I say stackable rings. This one is cute. Okay. Super duper cute. I'm not going to put on all of them. You guys are feeling these rings, go ahead and give this video a like. Look at this pearl one. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. If y'all hear my son in the background, please excuse him. He just got back from school, so y'all know how the energy be bumping when you get out of school and you get home in your own territory, okay? So cute with the pearl and the rhinestones. Super duper cute. So they're kind of like, I think some of them are duplicates. Mommy. I love this one. This one is cute too. My son is looking because he loves jewelry and he doesn't know the difference between girl jewelry. You hear him? Okay guys, so you guys have an idea what's going on here. This is what I mean by stackable rings. You wear them like more than one on a finger. They're so cute. I didn't put any on my pinky, but I can. So this is how you wear this. So this is how you wear this, guys. They're so cute. You can see kind of like the details of it a little better on my finger versus me showing it to you individually. You guys see that? So cute. Oh my gosh. And see, I can bend my hands, my knuckles, my fingers, and it's so comfortable. So yeah, guys, if you guys are feeling these little cute little stackable rings, like I said, drop a heart comment in the comment section and let me know, because they also have these in silver and I kind of like both as well. So I may order them in silver too, or I may order another design set. I don't know. I was thinking about getting some for my niece too, but I'm not sure if these will be, you know, too big for her or not. Okay guys, so my next item is an outfit, a two-piece set that I ordered off of Amazon. I was supposed to wear for this past weekend. Ended up going anywhere anymore because one of my friends got sick. So Your girl stayed and chilled in the house. And I got this set in olive green or money green. I'm not sure which one. I think it's more of a money green. And it's so cute. So this outfit is also going to be in my Amazon store. So if you guys want to shop this outfit, y'all know to hit up the description box. I'm going to have the link for you guys in my Amazon store. You get this set. I'm not going to personally try this outfit on, but I will post a picture of the model on Amazon so you guys can have an idea of what this item looks like. So here is the top. This is the top. It's so cute. And you can wear this with heels. You can wear this with shoes. I have like these Michael Kors shoes and also the little pouch. So it's beige as well. And you know, green and beige goes very well together. It complements each other very, very well. You can also wear this with black. Green and black also is a really nice look. I'm going to show you the shorts. These are the shorts. They kind of look like biker shorts. And they can pull up a little bit high. So the top is kind of like, you know, can come up like a crop top. And you can kind of pull these up midway. So for the mommies like me who got the mommy tummy going on, it's easy to disguise and you still be cute. I like the little, you see like the little ruffle in the top around the bottom of the shirt. It's a cute little piece, two-piece set. I really honestly wanted this in pink, but it wasn't coming in time enough for, like I said, it was supposed to be for this past weekend, and it was gonna be shipped in time, guys, for me to wear this outfit. So, you know, I was like, the next best color that I liked was this green, because I feel like my green with the beige would have been a hit. But like I said, your girl ain't going nowhere, so we're gonna save this for another day. When we go out, maybe, you know, I might wear this Memorial weekend when I'm out celebrating my birthday, if I celebrate my birthday. Because like I told y'all, if y'all don't already know already, Miami gets ridiculous around Memorial weekend time. The streets are extra packed. The weather is always nasty or either super hot because it is raining season, and prices are crazy. Parking is unbelievable. So I always try to find, like, either go the opposite way of where the crowd is, or either try to find something real chill to do. So I haven't really decided, because honestly I've been so caught up on my son and his prom and stuff like that, because you know, he's graduating and going to a whole nother school and all of that, as well as one of my other kids. So I just got a lot going on this year that I didn't really feel the need of a big celebration. However, someone did point out to me, and I appreciate you dearly for this, that with as crazy as the world is today, every day needs to be celebrated, that we're here another day. So I took that, and that touched me. And you're absolutely correct. Every day that you're here is another day unpromised, and it's a gift to God. So thank you for that. So however I decide to, you know, celebrate, whether big or small, I'm appreciated that God blessed me enough to be here, especially to be with my children. But guys, that is the end of this video. It was just a very small haul, nothing too major. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until the next time, guys, your girl is out. I love y'all.